Hello everyone, welcome to Air and Analytics. My name is Dr. Aniket and I am working as a professor in one of the leading engineering institutes in India. If you are a college going student or a beginner or a personal who is looking for a better offers in a top leading companies, then don't miss this video. This video includes the must-know facts about the Python, the reasons for its popularity, the domains where it is in demand, the job market survey, and how much money the Python developers make. So, have you ever wondered why everyone is buzzing about the Python and what exciting opportunities it holds in the future? Then you are at the right place. In our technology-driven world, programming languages serves as an architect of innovation and helps developing the apps and websites we love. Learning a programming language empowers individuals for both professional development and contributing to the evolving technology landscape. Meet Python, the thrilling, versatile, and user-friendly programming language that's like the Swiss Army knife of the coding. Python's simple English-like syntax make it easy to learn. It is an interpreted language and does not need compilation into the machine codes before running. It is also a dynamically typed, meaning unlike many other programming languages, in Python we don't have to define the type of the variables before defining it. Python's large standard libraries provides ready-made tools for the common task. For example, to simply print hello world statement in Python, it is a one-line task. However, in Java, it takes 4 to 5 lines code. Still, if sometimes you are stuck in your coding journey, Python's large community support is eager to help you through numerous platforms. And hence, according to several leading indices like TIOBE, PYPL popularity and Stack Overflow trend, Python has been ranked the #1 programming language in the world for the year 2023. These indices uses the Google search trends to find out the popularity of programming languages. According to TIOBE, Python was the language of the year for year 2007, 2010, 2018, 2020 and 2021. Python's popularity is soaring across various fields, making it a must-have skill for career advancement. Python is everywhere, starting from AI and ML, cybersecurity, web development, data analytics, automation, and game development. It is everywhere. So don't worry about its value or job availability. Python is here to stay. Invest in your future by learning Python. You won't regret it. Let's dive into the world of Python jobs, exploring the hottest fields, job market trends, and of course, the salaries. Are you curious about the global Python job market? Well, buckle up. According to the data collected on 8 December 2023 from leading job listing websites, the total number of Python job listings across the globe is nearly 700k. And interestingly, 430k of those jobs are located in just 2 countries, the USA and India. This makes them the hottest job market for the Python programmers by significant margin. Wants to know the specific fields that are in highest demand? Here is a breakdown. Web development dominates the current job listings with 39% share, followed by data science and machine learning with a 20% share. The number of job listings for AML and data science is projected to grow by 30 to 35% until 2028. This makes these fields even more attractive for aspiring Python programmers. And now, finally, the question you all have been waiting for: salaries. Here are some glimpses. Remember, these are general averages. Salaries can vary depending on factors like geographic location, specific skills, and years of experience. For example, in US, cities like San Francisco, California, and New York tend to offer higher salaries compared to other locations. Similarly, in India, tech hubs like Gurgaon, Bangalore, and Delhi have higher salary range. So thanks for watching this video. If you are feeling excited and motivated to join the amazing Python learning journey, subscribe to the Air and Analytics. If you feel this video was informative and if you have learned something about the Python, hit the like button. If you are an educator, share this video with your colleagues and students. Thank you.